Hello everyone, my name is Chef Jyoti and I welcome you to the new recipe of the week with Chef Magic. So today we are going to make a healthy, delicious and colorful dish perfect for every occasion. So let's see what is the new recipe of the week. My Wonder Chef app is connected to the Chef Magic. Let's click Cloud Recipe, click New tab, and that's the new recipe of the week, which is Mixed Veg Kadai. Here's the description, the ingredients. According to the ingredients, I'll make the tray ready and click Run. So let's start with the recipe. For the first step, we have to attach this multifunction blade. Add onions. Let's add oil and masala. As you can see, the onions are properly sauteed. We'll add ginger garlic green chili paste. The kadai masala smells amazing. Now we'll add the veggies: cauliflower, French beans, carrots. If you are using the fresh peas, you can add at this step. As you can see, the sabzis are halfly cooked. Let's add the masalas: turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder, which is coriander powder. At this step, we have to add tomatoes, salt, frozen peas. After adding salt, we'll add some water and let it cook. At this step, we'll add capsicum and garam masala. As you can see, the veg kadai is ready to serve with garma garam rotis and steamed rice.